how to fix this content is not available on Spotify. The first thing I would do is to go to the App Store or Play Store if you are on Android and see if you have the latest update of the app. Just search for Spotify. And then you want to look beside the app. If it says update, you need to update your app. If it says open, the app is fine. Next thing I would do is to go inside the Spotify app. And then you want to tap the gear icon up in the top right corner. And then you want to tap storage. And then you want to tap clear cache. And the next thing I would do is to restart my phone and then try again. If this is not working, I would delete the app and then reinstall it and see if that is working. So this is how you fix this content is not available on Spotify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.